Hey guys, it's YaGirlTiffany and welcome back to my channel. If you're enjoying my Demon Slayer Season 2 reactions, please remember to like the video, hit that subscribe button, leave your comments in the comment section, check the community tab because I put out what videos will be posted on what day. So I decided for this week, when I put these videos out, I'm just going to finish the Mugen train arc this one time, and then next week start the official season 2 reactions. So last episode, Tanjiro ended up killing Enmu, the lower one demon. His injury is now injury and also using the Hino, you know what I mean, the Kagaya Hinokami breathing technique, also being stabbed, put him out of commission. And that's when Akaza, bitch ass, now he's a bitch ass just because of what happened. That's the only reason, nothing else. I forgot that he was a martial artist. I forgot that that's his fighting style, that he's a martial artist. And he and Rengoku got into it, and not looking good for Rengoku. And I know what this episode is. This is going to be a heartbreaking episode. So with that being said, let's just jump into this reaction. Piss off.
煉獄さん生身を削る思いで戦ったとしても京次郎お前が俺に食らわせた素晴らしい斬撃もすでに完治
Very true. As Urukadaki said, they fight even though their bodies don't heal.
助けに入りたいのに
Sit yourself down, please, before you open your wound. Oh, Rengoku going out like a G! Without fail. I know this voice actor. I gotta search for it. Plus ultra. Woo! The illustration, the animation is just top 10. Come. Gotcha, bitch ass. The pain again. The pain again. The pain. Pain again. His mom was sick, wasn't she? His mom was very pretty.
責任を持って果たさなければならない。忘れることなきように。はい。
Y'all not gonna make the pain come back again. Get him one last time. Mm.
夜明けが近い。早く殺してこの場を去らなければ。腕が抜けん。
Got you in a grip.
休まない。煉獄さんに何と言われようと、ここでやらなきゃいけなければ。
I know you wanted to be strong. You wanted to fight strong people. Take the strongness. Oh, bitch, it's him getting louder. If he could only just... Yeah, I remember he did that, yeah. He broke his sword. Yeah, you... I remember this. Nah, take the sun. Nah, don't run. Still. Exactly. Tell him again, Tanjiro. But when the sun comes, they want to go. Yes, I don't care what nobody said. He did win. Just broke Tanjiro again. I just catch myself. He gonna have to call the man to give him a new sword, ain't he? My heart hurting again. Now the plug's gone. No. I can't do this again. Mm. Got 3 Hashiras on his Hashiras on his side.
君たちが鬼殺隊を支える柱となるのだ。俺は信じる。君たちを信じる。やれただろうか。
立派にできましたよ。
I'm hurting again.
するとき、煉獄さんがいっぱい技を出しててさ、車両の被害を最小限にとどめてくれたんだよな。何が来たのか。悔しいな。何か一つできるようになった。
Someone stronger comes along. That's life in a whole. I know you're scared. Oh, Inosuke! Oh, I can't do this again. Exactly for the headpiece. Oh, my baby. He knocked it. We gotta trade. Oh, that's his crow. Yes, that was his crow. Oh, I can't do. I cried worse the first time.
そうですか。
Yeah, because they said these Hashiras never met uppers. He was cool and collective.
無限の鬼には煉獄でさえ負けるのか。俺は信じない。
Then he goes to that cried.
醜い鬼どもは俺が殲滅する。そうか。
Yeah. I like how even one of their own, their personalities never like went the opposite way. Yep, he did his job. He did his job. He's different looking from the rest. She was in the beginning of the movie when they went to a cemetery. Are you dying now? Yeah, so we have come to the end of the Mugen train arc. Yeah, I cried worse at the movies than I did here. Like I was distraught, but it would just bring back the pain of just losing Rengoku. The fact that he was still in the element of being a senpai to Tanjiro Inosuke, in his dying breath, telling Tanjiro where he could possibly get more information on his fighting style, getting the fact that in the train there was 200 passengers, no one died. That meaning Rengoku did his job. He took on a upper demon, but as it stated in season 1, none of the current Hashiras ever met an upper. They've never met an upper. They've gotten rid of the lower, never upper, because upper doesn't change. And you saw why, because that was upper tree. Hey, he, as soon as his hand cut off, bam, it's there. But I don't care what anybody says, Tanjiro said, we fight you in your element, which is night. We fight you without the ability to regenerate. Rengoku won this because you ran away. You ran away. I don't care what nobody say. You ran. You ran because you know very well to fight a head-on in all elements, you lose. So Rengoku won because he protected Tanjiro. in an Inosuke and still took you on. But as much as I hate Akaza, bitch ass, the fact that he's a martial artist as a demon, that's sick though. As much as I hate his bitch ass, the fact that his fighting style is top tier. I love how he fights. I love how he fights. So this is the end of the Mugen arc train. So we're going on to the official season 2. I'm still trying to figure out how I'll type it because technically if you look at Crunchyroll, it goes back to episode 1. So I'll have to see how I'll do that. But yeah, it's sad that we lost Rengoku. It's sad because I feel like we should have spent just a little more time with him. I wish we had just a little more time with him, but the time that he has graced the screen has always been. He's funny, he's pleasant, he's truly a gentle person. For the fact that in his dying breath he gave Tanjiro one of the reasons he's fighting so hard is to acknowledge Nezuko, and he's like, I saw your sister fight for humans even when she was bleeding. Therefore, she is part of the demon corps, and no one can take that away from her. He got that in the end, and that's all he wanted is recognition to change Nezuko back, but to show people that Nezuko is not a typical demon, and he has 3 Hashiras with him. He has Giju, the girl, I'm gonna remember her name later on, and Rengoku now. With that being said, as we come to the end of the Mugen Train arc, which has been a great recap of the movie, I'm excited to see what the official season 2 of Demon Slayer truly has for us. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next reaction. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave your comments in the comment section. Guys, remember, a subscribe, a comment, a share goes a very long way in expanding this channel. And thank you guys for your support and more reactions out for 2022. I'll see you guys in the next reaction. Bye.